Welcome to Quiz Conflux. Let's test your food knowledge. Can you guess the dish just by the picture? Get ready, stay sharp, and let the quiz begin. Guess this dish from picture?
Falafel.
What dish does this image show? Eggs Benedict? Can you identify this dish?
Tamales.
Name this dish from image.
Gumbo.
What food is shown here?
Pierogi.
Identify this dish by picture.
Haggis.
Can you name this food?
Steak tartare.
Guess the food from picture.
Samosas.
What meal does this picture show?
Tempura.
Name the food shown here.
Arepas.
What dish appears in picture?
Lutefisk.
Can you guess this food?
Kimchi.
What recipe is shown here?
Schnitzel.
Identify the food from image.
Borscht.
Guess this meal from picture.
Raclette.
Which dish is shown here?
Tagine.
Can you name this dish?
Moussaka.
What cooking dish is this?
Tabbouleh.
Guess what dish is pictured?
Succotash.
What food item is this?
Boston baked beans.
Guess this dish from picture?
Hominy grits.
What dish does this image show?
Johnny cakes.
Can you identify this dish?
Pemmican.
Name this dish from image.
Beans and bread.